and welcome to madhurazrecipe.com. Today I am making savory oats pancake. This is a healthy breakfast dish in which I am going to prepare pancakes by using some oats flour. This is also loaded with lots of healthy vegetables. So let's start with the recipe. And to prepare these healthy pancakes, I am going to start by making batter. And for that, here I have about a cup of oats flour. And to prepare this flour, here I have used a cup of quick oats. And I just grind this till the time it gets a kind of flour texture. In here goes 2 tablespoons of Sooji or semolina. And this Sooji helps to give little firm texture to these pancakes. Next herein goes some dry spices. First I will add some whole cumin seeds. Then I am putting in some coriander powder, some garam masala, turmeric powder about 1/4 teaspoon, add some red chilli powder, then goes some salt to taste and give it a good mix. And next I will put in some water to make this into batter. And while you add water, make sure to mix it. It looks good. Now in here goes some vegetables. First I will add some finely chopped spinach. Then goes in some red pepper, some finely chopped onion. It looks beautiful. Some finely chopped green chilies. You could also make use of some chili paste and some lemon juice, and mix this in. And this oats pancake batter is ready. Looks good. You could also make the addition of some chopped mushrooms, scallions or even crumbled paneer. Now set this bowl aside for 10 minutes. Well, here this batter has been resting for 10 minutes now. Now let's start to prepare this pancake. And for that we need to heat up skillet over medium to high heat. And first I'm going to add few drops of oil over it. Now next add this spoonful of batter. And spread it around. And let that cook up right till the time it starts to leave the sides of the pan. And as soon as you see it started to get little browning around its edges, it's the perfect time to give it a flip. And let this cook from other side as well. And there you go, this pancake is ready. Let me just take this out. It looks super delicious and it's healthy too. It goes perfect with some peanut garlic chutney or with some coconut chutney. Both these recipes are available on my website. For details about this recipe and many other recipes, please go to madhurazrecipe.com developing a new taste. See you soon. Bye bye.